My name is Sue Whelan. We won't talk about my age. I am a 911 dispatcher. And as far as my fitness background, when I was a kid, I was very athletic. I could do anything, had no issues whatsoever. As I've gotten older and taken a desk job, I've kind of slowed down with my activity levels. And that's a reason why I got into this program. The reason for the RuckFit is I knew I needed something, but I couldn't start a program, all out. There's no way I was going to do a couch to 5K kind of program. And this was something that I knew that I needed. I knew that I had lost a lot of strength throughout my entire body. And this was the way to start small and end big. It was really how hard it was. I was really, really surprised at how taxing it was on my body and really how weak I had gotten over the years just by sitting. But then I also got very surprised with how much strength I gained in a very short amount of time. The coaching is fantastic. You got any questions, anybody that's working with Ryan in the program, they'll answer your questions at any time. The biggest change, I would have to say, is actually probably my energy level. I was having a very hard time just walking, and now I feel great. I feel good to go out to walk, and I can swim and get back on the bike, and my energy level has increased dramatically. I actually do a lot of the exercises while I'm sitting at work, and I get up and I try to walk as much as I can, and I realize how I have to engage certain muscles while I'm walking, and I try to do that consciously most of my day. This is a program that can benefit anybody. It's amazing the improvements that you can make with small movements. RuckFit program is actually kind of creating a community in and of itself. Everybody's starting to get to know each other and help each other out and be very supportive of each other in their improvements that they're making. I think anybody can benefit from this program. There's nobody that can't benefit from the things that we learn in RuckFit. It involves every movement that you do every day of your life.